with blocks and this toy.
Yeah.
It has blocks in the back. Look, and a tearing wheel. And it has a little face.
It has a little face?
Yeah.
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 Let's see what you have there.
It's a truck where it has blocks and a tearing wheel thing and a horn and a eyes and a face. It's a face.
Yeah, this is a nice truck.
Yeah.
It's a Mega Bloks pullback truck. Yeah.
Cool.
I think it's like a cement truck.
Cement truck?
Yeah, let me see what's back here.
What's that? Where?
Let's see. Okay, the front moves from side to side, and the back here moves up and down, and it has some blocks.
And Mama,
What?
do it has instructions to see what we're doing?
I don't think it has any instructions because we don't really need to put anything together. We could just build the blocks. That looks like a pretty nice toy. Oh, here it says his name is Mike. Mike the Mixer.
Like the mixer?
Yeah.
Do it mix the block?
It's like a cement mixer truck.
Yeah.
And his name is Mike.
Mike?
Yeah. That's a nice toy.
Are we gonna cut it up?
Yeah, let's open it up.
Let's do it.
Let's open it. Or is there more to take out? Oh, you got it.
I got it. I did got it.
Here, put it right here.
Okay.
Let's see. How do you open the back? Can you open that up?
Yeah. See, I opened it.
Yeah. Can you dump the blocks out?
Yeah. And I put this back on. I put it back on.
Let's see. I think you screw it on. There you go. Let's see the blocks.
Yeah.
This is nice. Let me see. What can we build with this?
How?
A tower?
Yeah.
Okay, let's build a tower. Can you build it?
Yeah. How?
How about we start with this one? This is the bigger one.
To what? Put on here?
Yeah, that's a good idea. And what next? How about one of these gray ones? I'll put the gray one right here. Okay. Now which one should we put next?
The red ones?
Okay, put the red ones right here. Good job.
I'll do the yellow ones.
You could put the yellow ones on the top. All right here. You have 3 of them.
I found this.
Good job. You built a little tower.
Yeah. Because,
Do you like your truck?
yeah.
Are there any more in there?
Mm,
Let's see. Nope.
no.
No more.
Nope. No more. And who's gonna pick it up? And who's gonna pick it up?
Pick the blocks up?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to put the blocks in there. And then let's see, what does he do? Oh, you can use this handle to move them up and down.
Let's try.
Can you put the blocks back in?
Cause
What are you doing, silly boy?
I'm gonna find them back. So I can do.
Do you need help? Oh, you're a strong boy. That's all the blocks that it came with. You have some other ones though.
I have.
You have some other mega blocks.
What mega block?
We'll have to find them.
Find them.
What do you think of your truck?
It's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah. And now, dump them. He dumped them. The mega truck dumped them.
Yeah, Mike the mixer dumped it.
Yeah.
Dumped all the blocks.
Yeah.
So do you like your little truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. What are you doing? Okay. Well, let's go find your other mega blocks and you could put them in there.
Why he getting all the blocks in? Why he getting all blocks in?
Because he mixes the blocks.
Mexican? Is he making them?
Yeah, he's mixing it. Let's see.
And now, and now, what's next?
Okay, Daniel.
Now let's find my other. Let's find my other mega block.
Okay, let's go find him. Say bye.
Bye.